Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, as you can tell by the title, alright, this is a little video asking you guys if you want to make some money making videos on YouTube, alright? So, the way that I make money is through my partnership program, alright? My partnership program is with Freedom, alright? It's basically a company, it's completely free, and what happens is they basically monetize your videos and give you as much free content as they possibly can. So you've got free audio, you've got free games that you can download and you can do reviews on. There's so many different ways that you guys can make money, and there's also sponsorship possibilities for you there as well. So, for example, if you're a smaller channel, you're starting out and you want to see if you can make some money and get some content that you can do reviews on, whether it's different games or whether it's whatever it is that you guys do on your channel, Freedom is definitely the way to go for it, alright? It's free and it accepts any number of subscribers, alright? So it's not like YouTube now, because the new monetization rules through YouTube are you have to have over 1,000 subscribers and X amount of time, watch time on your videos. So for smaller channels that are just starting out, you know, it's kind of counterintuitive, because you're like, you know, I want to, you know, get that feeling of, you know, people are watching my videos and I'm making some money out of it. But in order to get that now, you have to reach a certain point. So this is where Freedom comes in, okay? I partnered with Freedom not that long ago, realistically, not that long ago. You know, it was something that, you know, a fellow YouTuber friend of mine had spoken to me about. So I checked it out, and there's videos on there that gives you tutorials on everything. Alright, it gives tutorials from editing to different content ideas to how to perform in your videos. You know, which videos are getting the most views and stuff like that, and the community is fantastic, alright? There's forums there, so you can get yourself on forums, introduce yourself, and people respond. You know, I put a post up in one of the forums, I think it was like about a week ago, and, you know, I had like 20 different people respond to it, just saying, welcome to the group, and blah, 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 if there's anything you need help with, and you can get your stuff out there. You know, you say, oh, you know, say for example, oh, I'm Christopher Daniel Adams, I do guitar tutorials, I do covers, looking to do some collaborations, and they do so much work for you. They take your channel and they find other channels that match your channel that do something similar and see if you want to collaborate together. So it's just a little video. You know, I did put a video up about a week ago saying, you know, do I make money on my videos? And yes, I do make money. Okay, I do get an income every month through Freedom, you know. So they basically help me to monetize my videos, give me as much content. I mean, I'm a guitar tutorials channel, so there's not a lot of content out there for me personally that I need. You know, all I need is my guitar, as you can see in the background, a capo, and my phone. But, you know, if you're a gaming channel, or you're a music editing channel, or you're any other type of channel, there's so much on there for you. So I would definitely check it out. I've left a link in the description below, alright? So if you click on that link, it'll take you to the Freedom page. Sign yourself up. Doesn't take long at all, alright? Doesn't take long. And I've set it up through my PayPal account, so whatever money I make, they deposit it straight into my PayPal account, and then obviously from there I can then withdraw it if I decide to do so. Alright, but definitely it's worth checking out. You know, what's the harm in going on and seeing what it's like, and if you don't like it, cancel it. You know, if you don't want to get involved with it. But there's no harm. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and the community, like I said, is fantastic. So I would definitely recommend checking it out, guys, alright? Definitely check it out. Hit up that link in the description below. That'll take you through to Freedom through me. And, you know, we'll all be part of the Freedom family together. You know, like I said in my last video, they have over 10 billion views on their videos. Alright, 10 billion views on all their videos, from tutorials to editing to giving yourself all these 3D images that they can put into your videos for you to make everything a little bit more professional. Definitely check it out, alright? Takes maybe 5 minutes of your time, you know. But yeah, so that's a way that you guys can also make money on your videos. Obviously, it depends on the amount of views you're getting. If you're getting, you know, hundreds of views, thousands of views, you know, you'll make more money. Whereas if you're only getting smaller views at the moment, you know, you'll still make money on it. You will still get paid. And they will help you to raise that subscriber count, to get more views in, to keep people interested, and to get your channel recognized and to work with other channels, alright? So here's my little video. Just giving you guys some advice, because for some reason, I've not really noticed other YouTubers that talk about this and say how much money they get paid and how they get paid. You know, it's all very secretive for some reason, but I'm going to share it with you guys, you know. So if you guys have any questions for me, please hit me up in that inappropriate place comment section down there, alright, or fire me a message over Twitter at ChrisAdams1993, alright, and I'll get back in touch and we can talk about it, alright? But honestly, click on the link down below, take you to the homepage, get yourself all set up, and grow your channel. You know, get your content out there. I'm more than happy to help anybody out. When I was doing a live stream, there was a guy who's just starting out a gaming channel, so I got a couple of the people in the chat, they've all subscribed to him. I've subscribed, and, you know, we've been messaging, and he's asking me for tips, and I've been getting tips off him as well. So check it out, honestly, check it out. Definitely worth your time. And like I said, it's free money at the end of the day for doing something you enjoy doing. So go for it. Anyway, guys, this is just a quick video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So don't forget to leave a like on this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well, guys, for more tutorials, covers, and just general chit chat from me. All right, guys. Well, anyway, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.